Hi Julie, happiest birthday. I'm very thankful na nakilala kita and naging friend kita. And finally, meron na akong BL and GL buddy. I hope this year gives you everything you've been praying for, and I miss you so much and I love you.
Bulaga. Okay na. Happy birthday, Julie. Sorry kung hindi kami nakapunta nila Yuni. Pero, syempre, babatiin ka din namin. Ayan, pangit. Joke lang. Thankful kami sa'yo, syempre, kasi yung pagiging makulit mo, yung pagyakap mo sa amin, parang naging, ano na sa amin yun, important na sa buhay namin. Kasi, nasanay na kami sa'yo. So, syempre, very thankful kami sa'yo, lalo na yung gali mo. Kaya sana maging ikaw kahit saan ka man magpunta, kung babagoy na sarili mo, mahal na mahal ka namin. And happy birthday, and happy birthday, and you deserve better. Bye, bye-bye.
Hi Julie, happy birthday. Sorry if di ako naka-attend ng birthday party mo due to hindrances. Anyways, I am wishing you all the best, all happiness in life. Tapos sana same vibes pa rin. Tapos keep your energy. Thank you so much for everything na. Love ko ka mo.
Hi Julie, happy birthday. I just want to say thank you kasi naging friend kita. And sorry kasi hindi ako makakapunta sa birthday mo. And sana mag-enjoy kayo nila, Franz. And happy birthday ulit. I love you. I miss you all.
Hello, Ate Julie. Happy 18th birthday. Always take care and thank you so much for the support. We wish you all the best and God bless. Enjoy your day.
Hello, Ate Julie. Happy 18th birthday. I hope you're enjoying your special day. And I hope na all beautiful things will come to you for many years to come. Anyways, I was told na worst situation mo talaga yung nangyari sa prom. Pero, at least, I was there for you, diba? And, so, ayun, I wish you a happy birthday.